Hey friends, I'm Wendy from Around My Family Table, and I've been sharing family-friendly recipes for about 13 years. And right now I'm on a keto journey, and I have been using Keto Chow as part of my journey since day one. And I'm so excited to get to partner with them again to show you the myChow surprise kit for June. And I thought I'd take today to show you how I prepare to take my Keto Chow with me on a trip because we are planning a trip to London and I'm hoping that my Keto Chow makes it with me. So let me show you first what I'm gonna do. So I take a bag with me and I have some disposable lids because I take 20-ounce disposable cups to make my Keto Chow in. I'll buy butter or heavy cream, whichever I can find, to make my Keto Chow shakes. And then I also keep straws in here. And then I will make another bag that has my packets in it. So I'm going to use my June kit to stock my travel kit this month. And then I also, since we're going to London, I think I'll be able to use my immersion blender, which is my favorite way to make my shakes. So I'll just take my immersion blender with me, blend them up, and I should be good to go for my breakfast on our vacation. So let me show you the Keto Chow My Chow surprise kit for June. If you don't know, Keto Chow is a complete meal. It is a meal replacement. It can be used as a full meal, like as a shake as they make it, or you can also turn it into ice cream, cookies. You can bake with it, chaffles. Chaffles are my favorite. So it's very versatile. Let's dig in and see what is in this month's box. All right, it's my paperwork. Okay, here we go. Oh, pistachio. Those will go to my friend's son, who this is his absolute favorite, so I always give it to him. He loves them. Orange and mango, perfect for summer, kind of tropical flavors. Love this. Chocolate toffee, which is one of my absolute favorites. This is definitely going to London with me. Mocha. Oh, it's so good. Add a shot of espresso. So delicious. Chai latte, which is one of their new flavors, and it is also really, really good. You can mix it with some tea if you'd like. Ooh, strawberry. Another just classic summer flavor. Lemon meringue. Love this one. And salted caramel. So I know which ones I am taking with me to London for sure, but I know everybody wants to know what the big bag is. And this month, the big bag, which will have to stay home, is chocolate. So good. This makes the best ice cream you've had, especially if you're keto and you're missing some ice cream. Chocolate, definitely. Now, let's look at the recipe cards that come with the surprise kit. See what kind of recipes they're giving us this month. Pistachio ice cream with white chocolate chips. Ooh, mocha hazelnut cookies. That sounds really, really good. Hazelnut flour, erythritol, cocoa powder. Ah, super easy. Very few ingredients. That'll be delicious. Can't be keto chocolate cake. I love that name. That's gonna be good. That'll be, oh, so good. Using that chocolate. Churros. Oh yeah. And lemon chiffon mousse with berry cups. Those are all some great ideas. I can't wait to make a few of those. So that is this month's June surprise kit. And tell me in the comments below which one of these you're most excited to try. If you like the chocolate, if you're excited for the chocolate in the big bag, I can always use more chocolate. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I would love to have y'all around. Thanks.